This is Fiona again with Microsoft. Here to show you how to ensure your users have the right access with Azure AD Access Reviews. With Microsoft Azure Active Directory, we're introduced to this new world of multiple devices and users, such as employees or guests we work with to leverage data and applications both on the cloud and from on-prem. Identity is used as a new control plane to manage all of these profiles and their access. In the past, the network used to be the perimeter keeping all the identities under control. But now, we're collaborating with people outside of our organizations, connecting to cloud apps, granting users to use their personal devices for work. And the consistent feedback we hear is that this is great for productivity, but new challenges around access control and governance also arise. As new employees join, how can we make sure they have the right access? Or as people move from teams or leave the company, how to ensure their old access is removed, especially as it relates to guests. From the auditing perspective, how do I stay compliant with the regulatory policies, and how do I get visibility on who has access to what resources? With these challenges in mind, we introduced a new capability in Azure AD called Access Reviews, which enables organizations to recertify, attest, and audit users' access to resources, to make sure those access are appropriate and are being reviewed on a regular basis. You can approve users' continued access or deny it so that their access will be removed. You can review users assigned to applications and groups, such as office groups and security groups, both cloud-only and synced from on-prem. If you're using Privileged Identity Manager, you can also find access reviews for Azure AD roles and Azure RBAC roles. We hear that having the right decision makers to do these reviews saves a lot of time. So if you're reviewing a group, you can assign the reviewers to be the owners of that group. If you're reviewing guests or a large set of users, you can ask them to do the review themselves. You can ask them to review their own access. Or if you know someone specific, like the Director of Finance, you can select multiple individuals as the reviewers as well. To further streamline the process, you can set up recurring reviews and leverage our system recommendations to review your users quickly. To use Access Reviews, you will need either AEMS E5 or Azure AD Premium 2 licenses. Then you can onboard Access Reviews from the Azure portal, or you can start a free trial of E5 and start reviewing users of apps, groups, or roles today. We built Access Reviews to help you manage the drift in access rights over time, to alleviate the attestation fatigue from IT admins and streamline the process for cleanup guests and ensure users have appropriate access to resources. In the next video, I will show you how to configure an Access Review in detail.